always tripping lows.
Okay, Nitro, you know. What? Ooh, stop poking me, my boy. You can get me all excited in my Winnie Pooh spots.
Sensitive spot?
Yeah, I got a big old Buddha belly. You over here poking it. Make 3 wishes.
Alright, Greg. So how far along are we on the sequence of operation? Halfway. What do we got next? Let's well, you're still going to get power, but it's not going to let gas in, right? So now let's see the gas valve in action, right? So how much power does it take? 240.